Imagine this. You're asked to judge a musician, but you never get to hear them play, or rate a chef's cooking by reading their recipe, not tasting it, just reading it. Sounds ridiculous, right? But that's exactly what happens when we assess learning with only one method. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you how balanced assessment is the game-changing strategy that makes your evaluations smarter, fairer, and way more meaningful. Discussion question. Have you ever taken a course that used only tests to assess learning? How did that work out? Let's chat in the comments. Balanced assessment is all about variety and intentionality. It's the thoughtful blend of formative and summative assessments, individual and group tasks, written tests and real-world applications. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right mix to reflect the full scope of learning. Think of it like creating a well-rounded playlist. You need upbeat, slow, acoustic, maybe some indie jazz fusion. Let's break it down. Formative and summative. Blend ongoing checks with final evaluations. Diverse methods. Use quizzes, journals, projects, peer reviews. Practical tasks. Think simulations, demos, real-world problem solving. Self and peer assessments. Encourage reflection and student agency. Varied question types. Mix multiple choice, scenarios, essays, and more. It's like switching camera angles in a movie. You get to see the full picture from every side. Here's why balanced assessment is a no-brainer. Holistic insight. You're not just measuring facts, you're measuring thinking, applying, reflecting. Supports learning styles. Some students write, some build, some speak. Let them show what they know in different ways. Boosts engagement. Learners feel seen when their strengths are acknowledged. Reduces anxiety. Not every grade rests on one test. Pressure equals spread out. Deeper learning. Real application beats cramming any day. Think about a course you've taken or designed. Did it use a balanced assessment approach? If not, what would you change? Write it in your journal or drop a thought in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Balanced assessment isn't about checking boxes. It's about designing evaluations that are purposeful, personalized, powerful. When we assess learners from multiple angles, we don't just grade performance. We honor the full learning journey. So if this inspired a new way of thinking about your course design, hit that like, share it with your educator friends, and subscribe for more instructional design that actually makes sense. And remember, we simplify your creativity and innovations. See you in the next one.